Did you know that Google's new Pixel 10 is already being called the smartphone that can finally beat both the iPhone and Samsung? Today, we'll break down why this device is shaking up the market and whether it's really worth your attention. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Pixel 10, its key features, and how it compares to the giants Apple and Samsung. By the end, you'll know whether this phone could be your next daily driver. Let's start with what makes the Pixel 10 special. First of all, Google has seriously updated the design. Thinner bezels, an even brighter and more energy-efficient OLED screen, and new colors that instantly stand out. It's a phone that looks premium, but not flashy. The main star, of course, is the camera. Google has always been strong in this area, but with the Pixel 10, they went all in. A new main sensor, smarter night sight, and an improved AI that can literally fix group photos, remove unwanted objects, and even adjust facial expressions. In practice, this means you'll always get professional-looking shots without extra effort. Performance has also stepped up. The new Tensor G4 chip is optimized for AI tasks and image processing. This isn't just about speed, it's about smarter interaction. For example, voice recognition has become lightning fast, translations are almost instant, and battery life lasts noticeably longer thanks to energy-saving algorithms. And here's an interesting point. While Apple and Samsung focus on hardware, Google is betting heavily on AI. Many features of the Pixel 10 are tied to smart assistants, real-time photo and video enhancements, and personalized recommendations. It feels like the future is literally in your pocket. But what about the competition? Compared to the iPhone 16, the Pixel 10 wins in flexibility of customization and AI features. Against Samsung's Galaxy S25, it feels more minimalistic, but in photography and software integration, it's ahead. Of course, the Pixel 10 isn't perfect. Some users note that Google still lags behind in accessories and ecosystem compared to Apple. And in terms of hardware innovation, Samsung is still experimenting more boldly with foldables and displays. So what's the bottom line? The Pixel 10 is a smartphone for those who value clean design, the best mobile photography, and smart features that actually make life easier. If you want a device that feels one step ahead, this is a great choice. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you switch to the Pixel 10, or do you stick with iPhone or Samsung?